Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all my lovely students. I hope and pray that all of you are fine and all of you are taking care of yourself. Today I would like to welcome you all in Happy Home Online Classes. Children, as you already know that today is our science class and we are discussing the chapter Day and Night. This is unit 5 from your textbook. Students, do you know how many planets do we have? Yes, there are 9 planets in our solar system. And the names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. What is an orbit? An orbit is a path in space on which planets move around the sun, as you can see in the picture also. So, our today's topic is rotation and revolution. Let's see what we are going to learn today. Firstly, we need to know what is rotation. Rotation is a circular movement, spinning of an object around a center or a point. As you can see in the picture, the spinning top is moving on a particular center. Then what is rotation of the earth? Rotation of the earth is a spinning of the earth on its own axis. Children, do you know that the rotation of the earth takes 24 hours or 1 day and it causes day and night? We will also learn today that how rotation is causing day and night. What is revolution? Revolution means to go around something. And what is revolution of the earth? Revolution of the earth is the movement of the earth on its own orbit around the sun. I hope you can understand it through the pictures. Earth's revolution. As I've already told you that the movement of the earth on its own orbit around the sun is called revolution. And you know it takes 365 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. And revolution causes seasons. Now let's see what are the differences between rotation and revolution. As you can see in the picture that the movement of the earth on its axis, that is an imaginary line, is called rotation, and the movement of the earth on its own orbit around the sun is called revolution. Rotation takes 24 hours or 1 day. Revolution takes 365 days or 1 year. Rotation causes day and night and revolution causes seasons. You can see in this picture what is the difference between the movement of rotation and revolution. Now let's see what happens when the earth is rotating. As we all know that the earth is moving on its own axis and because of it day and night is happening. How? When the earth is moving, so the part of the earth that is facing the sun is having their daytime and the other part of the earth that is away from the sunlight is having their nighttime. Because of this spinning of the earth on its axis, day and night is happening. Then what is happening when the earth is revolving? Children, as we already learned in the last week class that our earth is tilted. So the path of the earth that is facing the sun while the earth is moving on its orbit around the sun are having their summer and the opposite part are having their winters. Okay children, now I'm going to show you a video. I hope you will learn more about this topic through that video.
You've seen the sunset, right? And if you get up early enough, maybe you've seen it rise too. But have you ever wondered, if the sun rises every day and sets every night, where does it go when we can't see it? Well, nowhere. It's actually us that goes somewhere, because we're on the Earth and our planet is always turning or spinning on its axis. Imagine a line passing through the center of the Earth that goes both through the North Pole and the South Pole. We call that invisible line the axis. Earth spins around on this axis like a top. This spinning movement is called the Earth's rotation, and the Earth's rotation is what gives us day and night. Every day, all year. If you're on the side of the Earth that's facing away from the sun as the Earth is spinning, it's night. If you're on the side facing the sun, it's, you guessed it, day. Now, hold on tight, because the Earth is actually moving in more ways than one. At the same time that the Earth spins on its axis, it also orbits or revolves around the sun. This movement is called its revolution. One full orbit all the way around the sun is one revolution, and the Earth takes 365 days, or 1 year, to complete a revolution. So have you got all of this so far? The Earth is rotating on its axis, creating day and night, and at the same time, it's revolving all the way around the sun. Now here's the thing. As the Earth is both rotating and revolving, it's not sitting straight up and down. Its axis is actually tilted, just a little. It's not all that much, but this tilt causes one part of the Earth to lean towards the sun, while another part of it is leaning away. This means that different parts of our planet's surface gets different amounts of sunlight and heat. So, why am I telling you all of this? Well, as the Earth travels around the sun, it creates a pattern throughout the year. This pattern happens over and over again, and I'm sure you've noticed it. At certain times of the year, you see the northern hemisphere leans towards the sun, and the southern hemisphere leans away. And at other times, the southern hemisphere leans towards the sun, and the northern hemisphere leans away. That pattern, my friend, is what makes seasons. When the part of the world that you're living in is leaning towards the sun, it's warm and the days are long. Summer. When you're on the part that's leaning away from the sun, it's cold and the days are short. Winter. In between, it's spring or autumn. If the Earth weren't tilted, we would have the same season all year long. So, revolution, rotation, orbit. Is your head spinning? Let's do a demonstration to shed a little light on these concepts. Okay, you're gonna need a globe and a table lamp without a shade, plus a table to put them both on. Put the lamp in the center of the table and turn it on. Put the globe on one side of the table. Now hit the lights. The globe is Earth. Makes sense, right? The lamp at the center of the table is the sun at the center of the solar system. Now slowly spin the globe. As the Earth rotates, the sun lights up one side of the planet better than the other. It's day where the light is shining more brightly on the globe and night where it's not. Now let's see what the Earth's revolution around the sun looks like. Give the globe a few spins with one hand while slowly pushing the globe in a circle around the sun, or the lamp with your other hand. So, do you notice how the Earth keeps rotating as it revolves around the sun? If this were the real sun and Earth, by the time you get back to where you started, the globe would have completed 365 rotations or days. And that's another year gone by. So what does all this show us? It shows that what looks to us to be the motion of the sun in the sky is really caused by the motion of the Earth. So now you know, when you look up and see the sun setting or rising, it's not going around us. It's sitting pretty much at the center of the solar system, while we and the 7 other planets go around it. That sun, always gotta be the center of attention.
Okay, children, I hope you have learned something new in today's class. Stay home, stay safe, and enjoy your online classes. This is your teacher saying goodbye to you. Inshallah, we'll meet soon. Allah Hafiz.